This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Joe Folsom. Single-story 3-bedroom/2-bath Craftsman Style Home at end of Cut de Sac in exclusive gated community minutes from town, shopping and/or dining. Split floor plan, master with large walk-in closet and utility room with washer and dryer. Granite countertops and gourmet kitchen. Private wooded setting. Great community with lots of hiking and a wooded community park with year-round creek for all to enjoy. Seller offering $10,000 toward closing costs, revisions, improvements or any other cost to buyer. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe Folsom at 770-722-5098.